Hi everybody, here I am in Glencoe, Scotland, riding the chairlift up the top of the mountain. There is a really beautiful waterfall. It's just gorgeous. I can't really turn around because it's kind of freaky. I'm really high on the side of a mountain, but here's the chairlift and I'm getting to the top, and you can see that some people are coming down as we're going up. That's Rob a couple of chairs ahead of me, and these are some people just coming down on the chairlift. They've had a lovely visit, and we're getting to the top, and I'm going to have to figure out how to get off this contraption. So it might be kind of interesting. Here's the chairlift. These are the poles holding it up, and I'm in this little container, this little compartment like a chair. And it's used to take skiers up to the top of the mountain and they can ski down. But as you can see, there's no snow. It's just a beautiful sunny day. And here I am riding the chairlift. It's yet another vehicle. Okay, let's see in a few minutes if Rob is going to be able to get off the chairlift without falling down or dropping his backpack. And then it will be Grandma's turn, where I have to see if I can get off the chairlift without incident, without anything happening other than just stepping off. Ooh, look, there's the top of the waterfall. Isn't that just lovely? It's a beautiful waterfall racing down the side of the mountain. Here we are, almost to the high, almost to the top. Everybody's happy, so it must be really pretty down here, up here. Oh, look, beautiful. Everybody's saying hi. I bet they're happy. Oh, look at that beautiful waterfall. That is gorgeous. And here we are coming up on the top of the mountain and the end of the chairlift. But I keep wanting to look at the waterfall because it's so beautiful. That is a lovely mountain waterfall. And I imagine a lot of the water is from melting snow. Isn't that beautiful? But let's focus on the chairlift for a while because we're getting to the end of the ride. We're at the top of the mountain now. Here we are. There's the mountain. I've just ridden up. There's more of the waterfall over there. Looks like a barn or something up here. I don't know what that building is. But we're getting to the end of the chairlift ride. And let's see how Rob is going to step off, because then Grandma has to turn around and do exactly the same thing. And that might be a little challenging. So let's just see what happens. I see the end. I see the platform. I'm going to come down on a platform of some sort. I can see the platform. Let's watch. Oh, look how beautiful the mountain is with all the snow still left. And there's another one and another one. We're in an area called Glencoe. It's a very beautiful part of Scotland. And Rob is coming up on the platform. Let's see what happens. Let's see how he gets off. I hope there's somebody there to help. If not, I don't really know what to do. So it could be very interesting. Let's see. We're slowing down. There's water running everywhere. Here's water. Oh, there's somebody there. Well, that's a relief. Maybe he will be able to help me get out of this thing. Okay, I'm going to have to stop filming. Rob had to lift his bar up over his head and step off. And now I'm going to have to stop filming because I have to do the same thing. Okay, bye-bye.